In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Microsoft Copilot to do deep research. Okay, so usually you have a series of number of research types you can use during your research in Microsoft Copilot. So you have to log in, of course. Let's say I'm all logged in here. And now I have this question, the future of artificial intelligence in Nigeria. And then I chat it with that question. And then I specify the type of research and I make it deep research from here. I selected deep research, which is by default, it is going to take approximately 10 minutes for it to carry out this type of research. It's deep, so it includes references and it's a bit much more detailed than the other research that it does. So now I prompted this, the future of artificial intelligence in Nigeria, and it said I'll begin researching the future of AI in Nigeria, focusing on its potential impacts across sectors like healthcare, education, agriculture, and finance. And take a look at the deep research kickstarting, and it said estimated time is 10 minutes. So I had to leave it and went and came back. So take a look at what it has given me, the detail of the deep research. So the deep research result, the future of artificial intelligence in Nigeria, the future of AI. This is the executive summary. Yeah, in health sector, opportunities and challenges, strategies in education, opportunities, challenges, strategies, and so on. And one good thing to take note of is the referencing. It has included referencing in all of its research. You can see them over here. And once you click, you can be able to go to those references that it has highlighted. Okay, it has even captured it at the end of the document. You can see it is a bit much more detailed and contain different kind of information for you to use. You can see in each of the cases, national policy, a regulatory framework for AI in Nigeria. Take a look at the referencing and even the citation it has provided all across. So it's very, very detailed and it's deep in terms of the research. Take a look and you can see data governance and privacy in Nigerian AI ecosystem. And then at the end of it all, it gives us the international collaboration, socioeconomic impact, and even a summary table highlighting key points in each of the sectors. It has highlighted all of those. And then lastly, it gave us the referencing. You can see detail. So it all depends on how detailed you prompt it as regards what it is going to give you. So this is how to do a deep research with Microsoft Copilot. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.